In this video, I'll show you how to kick someone out from the private server in Roblox. Removing someone from your private server in Roblox is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to kick someone out, go ahead and open up the Roblox application from Android or iPhone. And from the Roblox homepage, go ahead and select the game that you have the server. And from here, just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the server. Just need to tap on server here. And you'll get to see I have a server. And at the right side, you'll get to see all the people that are connected with the server. And here I have only one person. And let's say I just want to remove or kick out from the server. So I'm going to tap on this person here. And from here, just need to tap on this three-dot line here. And tap on block user, and you can tap on block and the person will be kicked out from your private server. Now if you want to rejoin, you can come to the same place and tap on this three-dot line and you can unblock the user from here as well. And this is how you actually can kick someone out from your private server in Roblox. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.